Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? That was ridiculous. Can't even watch TV. Because we got the she-devil in here. Chasing her. Oh. Oh, yep, there she is. Oh, yep, trying to lick everything. I'm trying to watch SpongeBob right now. I can't even do that. Can't. Look. Look. What do I do about this? God. I'm gonna invent Ritalin for dogs. I have to. I need to. I can't handle this. Interrupting my favorite show. What the deal is. I just lost for words right now. SpongeBob comes on. Right when Tom and Jerry was on, and she just sat there, licked my freaking toe for like an hour. Like it was generating a taste after the first 10 minutes. I know she got it all. Okay? SpongeBob comes on. Of course she wants to go wilding out over there. Look at her. You talking about me, Daddy? What the deal is? What? What the deal is? Hey! Hey! Alright, guys. A little short video update. Haven't really been doing much lately. I have my computer at my friend's house. And, I might be doing a little less videos. Probably do some more of this, but, I mean, I got a lot of ideas, actually. I'm gonna do them. I don't know when, though. They're hilarious. So, just sit there and wait, I guess. Comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Peace off.